So day before yesterday, I boarded in a tricycle. I went to my friend's house, right? I met my other friend, like I came with my other friend, right? So we're three. And we came to discuss about entrepreneurship, business, and content, because we discussed so much about YouTube and creating content and how to create more beautiful content and best content that will serve people, right? And we discussed about key things, because you see, in content creation, you can create content in three different ways, right? You can create content to people that want to be lied to, like maybe creating entertainment content and just like deceitful content to people that want to be deceived. You can create content to people that don't want to be deceived, like truth content, right? You can create content that will help transform people's life, right? And you can choose to create content that suits your own life. Like there are different ways you can now sit down to orchestrate how to create content. So we're just discussing, right? We're just discussing blah blah blah, right? So my friend now said something. He said, Victor, I like your work ethics. I was like, why? Like, why do you like my work ethics? Like, what is so special about my work ethics? Like, this is what he likes about my work ethics. Now, I told him that I haven't worked unless I have posted a video on YouTube or on my social media platforms, right? Or a content. Like, my work is not defined based on researching content, writing scripts, recording the video, none of that. My work is measured when I click post. That's when I've worked, because all of these other things that I'm doing at the background doesn't matter to me, right? So it doesn't matter, like researching the content and all of this thing doesn't matter until I have posted a video. Then I have worked, right? So what am I saying? Why am I saying all of this? I'm saying all of this because you have to understand something. If you want to see results in whatsoever you want to do, you have to really have a very high conscious level. You have to really have like determination. Like your determination has to be on a top-notch level, right? Where you challenge yourself. You have to challenge yourself. Like you have to really you have to really not be a mediocre. Like you have to not take things lightly, right? So something as easy as me telling myself that it's only when I post video that I have counted as work is something so heavy for someone, right? So but that is what you have to do, the person you have to become, if you want to see results, if you want to see like your dreams coming to pass. So it helps you, right? It helps you. It's the kind of mindset you need to have. So I'm just making this short video, right, to help you have the mindset. So if you said you want to like make money, you want to like change your life, you want to like focus on your financial life, right? Because that is what I'm talking about. Like that's what my channel is about. Like it's about finances, money, mindset and stuff. So you have to really think this way, right? What are the things I have to do, right? What are the things I have to do to get what I say I want, right? So I cannot be doing the things that I wish that I want to do and then get what I said I want, because in life there is sacrifice. There's the principles of sacrifice, right? I'm actually writing a book called The Principles of the Universe, and when the book is out, I'm going to let you know on my channel. It's really going to help you to see how to apply principles, right? So you'll be able to understand how this world works and apply certain principles, especially principles of success. I've actually made a video about principles of success, and I'm going to link it under the description of this video, right? The video is going to be under the description of this video. The video is focused on the principles of success. So if you have not watched that video, I would highly recommend you watch the video, right? So just said I want to just make this and encourage someone. So you need to really have a very high mentality, like a state of conscious mind. Like if you want to actually achieve what you say you want and you want to do that faster, right, you have to really work 10 times harder and smarter, right? And that you can only do that by challenging yourself, right? By taking your work ethics so high that you yourself it scares you. So like I said, I don't consider anything work. Research, all of these things, no. It's when I press post, then I have worked. Even though it took me 2 months to make a particular video, all of those 2 months is nothing to me. I have not worked shit. Until I post that video, then I have worked. So I hope this helps someone.